Jones Giovanni presents EMA, the world's first fully customizable, patented, secure ear clasp. What makes EMA the world's most innovative and secure luxury clasp? Made with responsibly sourced gold and ultra-strong Swiss-made titanium springs, our patented EMA clasp is the result of Belgian high-precision engineering. Our earring clasps feature a unique high-end finish and can be fully customized to your unique marketing expectations. Our EMA becomes yours. EMA, ever